We are working on 11-2, solving multi-step equations. We've already done a problem. Here's our second problem. We have fractions, 5n over 4 plus 7/4 equals a negative 3/4. What is your first step in solving this problem? What is the first thing, Ben, when you're going to do to solve this?
Add the two.
What did we just talk about? Do we love working with fractions? Yes, right? We love it. Do we love working with fractions in problems like this? No. So what should be the first thing we would do? It's been a while since we've done these, but we have done these. Truman, what's the first thing we do?
Get rid of the fraction.
Get rid of the fractions. And how in the world would you get rid of the fractions?
Divide.
Divide? You can divide fractions?
Wait, no.
When dividing fractions by a mindful second multiplied. So no, we're not going to divide. How do we get rid of the fraction? How do we get rid of the denominator? There's a really, really simple way of getting rid of the denominator. What is the simple way, Tarun?
Multiply it by 4.
Multiply everything by 4. So we're going to multiply this side by 4, and we're going to multiply this side by 4. That's really simple since the denominator is 4. So if we multiply 4, and we're going to distribute here, right? 4 times 5n over 4, what do we get? 5n. If we multiply 4 times 7/4, what do we get, you guys? 7. And if we multiply negative 3/4 times 4, what do we get?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Just for kicks and giggles. Negative 3/4 times 4 over 1. A lot of you are saying cancel, cancel. We get negative 3, right? Or if you have negative 3/4 times 4, cancel, cancel, equals negative 3. Whichever way you want to look at that, right? Woo! So, now what? Everybody, simple or not simple? Simple. Add 7 to both, or subtract. I don't know why I keep doing that. Subtract 7 from both sides. Clean it up. You've got 5n equals what, everybody? Negative 10. Divide both sides by 5. What does n equal? What do smart people do?
Check their work.
So if we take the negative 2, should we plug it into our original problem?
Yes.
So if you plug negative 2 in the original problem, what is 5 times negative 2 divided by 10? Negative,
Divided by 10.
or divided by 4, I'm sorry. We have negative 10/4, right?
Negative 2.5.
Negative 10/4, right?
Yeah.
Plus 7/4, right? Is negative 10/4 plus 7/4 negative 3/4?
Yeah.
We checked our work, it works, right? Questions? What pronoun? Say what? You could, but let's just get rid of the fractions right up front, right away. That's what we're always going to do, whether they have them or not. Okay?
Like, let's say, like, if we had this question on, like, on a test or something, if you converted all of the numbers into decimals.
Nope. Wrong. I wouldn't give you credit for it.
Alright.
If it's a decimal problem, do it with decimals. Or if it's a fraction problem, do it with fractions. Got it?
Yep.